there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers, comparing the Asani Mini and the QIDI Q1 Pro. It's going to be a battle of the printheads. So, buckle up, and let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the most important thing, the price. Because, let's be real, nobody wants to sell a kidney just to buy a 3D printer. On the left, we have the Asani Mini, priced at a wallet-friendly $500. On the right, the QIDI Q1 Pro, coming in hot at $699. That's a $199 difference. For that price, the QIDI better come with a personal butler to load the filament. Now, the Asani Mini is like that overachiever in high school. It comes with everything. We're talking a mini printer, 10 of PLA filament, a micro SD card preloaded with designs, and more accessories than my Aunt Karen's jewelry collection. On the other side, the QIDI Q1 Pro boasts about being ready to print in just 10 minutes. It's like the fast food of 3D printers. Quick, convenient, but hopefully not as greasy. Both printers claim to be easy to use. The Asani Mini has auto-leveling, a dual Z-axis rail, and a 2.4 inches LCD screen. It's practically begging you to print something awesome. The QIDI Q1 Pro, however, takes it up a notch with full auto calibration and smart filament detection. It's like having a robot butler that checks if you've run out of filament. Fancy, right? The Asani Mini is compact, measuring 8.3 x 8.3 inches x 11.4 and weighing just 6.6 pounds. It's perfect for home use, classrooms, or even your dorm room, if you're that cool. The QIDI Q1 Pro, on the other hand, is a bit of a beast. It comes with an active heating chamber temperature control system, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. It can heat up to 60 degrees Celsius, perfect for those tricky filaments like ABS and PA. Speaking of filaments, the Asani Mini supports PLA, PLA Pro, and TPU. It's like the basic cable package of 3D printing. But the QIDI Q1 Pro? It's got the deluxe package: PLA, PETG, TPU, PVA, PET, ABS, ASA, PAPC, carbon fiber, glass fiber. You name it, it prints it. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. The Asani Mini is open source and compatible with Mac, Windows, and Linux. It's like the cool kid who gets along with everyone. The QIDI Q1 Pro, however, comes with a 1080p HD camera, real-time monitoring, and time-lapse photography. Plus, you can control it with a mobile app. It's basically the James Bond of 3D printers. Reviewers have a lot to say about both of these 3D printers. The Asani Mini is celebrated for its ease of setup, user-friendliness, and reliability, especially for beginners. On the other hand, the QIDI Q1 Pro receives high praise for its advanced features, quality, and versatility, making it a strong choice for both hobbyists and professionals. So there you have it, folks. The Asani Mini is your budget-friendly, compact, and beginner-friendly option. The QIDI Q1 Pro is the high-speed, high-tech, and versatile powerhouse. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our latest comparisons. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.